Here we're going to show you how to use the Paint Format tool. I like this particular style font and size, so I click into it and it activates the types up here. Then I go over and click on the Paint Format, and if in this case it's a roller, sometimes it's a paintbrush in other word processors. And then I just select the text that I want to have transformed. That's how you use it. If I try to use it again, it doesn't take. If I want to use it multiple times, I'll do a double click up here like this. So I click into it, double click, and then I can use it and continue to use it until I turn off the effect up above, and then it no longer will hold the formatting. This also is useful if you're highlighting. For instance, if this is some text over here that you wanted to highlight, you could use a highlight tool up here by deciding, all right, I wanted to highlight this part of the text. Go up to my highlighter and select it. And then rather than do that over and over again, to highlight other text like protects original person and have to do this, I could use my format tool. So I click into this, double click onto that, and then whatever else now that I highlight or select will be transformed into that particular style. And then when I'm done using it, I turn it off.